Good afternoon. My name is Jose Luis Alvarez, and I'm going to talk about the cleaning of the river Verdiguel. So a little bit of introduction. The SDG that we take in consideration for this project, it was the number 6, that is about clean water and sanity of the water. So what is the context of like the local problematic is that near the school of Tec de Monterrey Campus Toluca, there is a river called Verdiguel. This river crosses like through a lot of part of Toluca, and this river is really contaminated by different aspects, and like they threw garbage and human feces on the river, so it gets really dirty and contaminated. So some of the causes and defects are the prince in like in first part, the people gets sick, and the people is like being intoxicated by being near the river. So when we make the investigation to know more about the river, we make 2 interviews. The first of them was to a policeman that guards the principal entrance of Tech, and also a friend of mine that lived like really near the river. Like we're talking about 200 meters away from the river. And so in conclusion, they told us that the smell was pretty bad, and when we entered like the season of intense rain, and like the sun gets really like hot, so these problems intensify. So we also take some pictures, and with this process like of immersion, we start making the insights. And the insights, we identify the data, the truths, the necessities, and the keys. With this work, what we did was brainstorming ideas. With the brainstorming, we like start to think about possible solutions for this problem, and also we start thinking about like the parameters of taking into consideration for making a solution. Sorry. Then finally, with the scamper technique, we like focus more of the brainstorming ideas, and we like take the parameters into consideration and start to formulate a proper and nice solution. So the solution that we came up with, it was a prototype. Well, this is a kind of prototype. So it consists of 2 parts. The first part is making a call to action from the Tec de Monterrey Campus Toluca, so we can like help the community making a project of investigation and cleaning of the river using technologies like filtration, eliminating the methane, and some others that we are listing in the infographics. And then the second part is when we make the investigation, we need to attack the problem from the local government part. So we will be like telling the government how we can make we think more about a synergy, like working together with the government, so we can make a cleaning and treatment of the river, taking into focus where there is more people living or like near the river. So what we find out in investigating about possible solution, like specific solutions, we came up with that here in Toluca, near the Lerma River, some group of people is coming together to finally filtering the waters of the Lerma River, using eggshells. So we are proposing the solution to clean the Vertical River. And finally, with this work, we really like, how can I say this? We knew that we have to take action. We knew that we have to make something in order to help other people, and in order to make an adequate plan to finally make a change. This is the final presentation. Thank you very much.